This is gonna be elevator number 1. Shout out to Mrs. Wright, by the way. This is the elevator number 1 at the Adventure Resort in Wildwood, New Jersey. Dover mod by Kencor with green lights. Elevator number 1. Here's 602. There's a view of Wildwood. This is the consequence of having a high hydraulic elevator. Have a good day.
Coming down?
I'm coming down. Garage?
There you go.
Go to the garage level?
You got it, bro.
Wrong direction.
No, we're going up.
I'm just taking a ride.
I don't know why we're going up.
Okay, this controller needs some adjustments.
Hey,
Used to be a Dover. Modded by Kencor in 2014.
you know something about elevators.
Yeah, I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Is that so?
Yeah, I film elevators as a hobby.
Oh, is that so?
Oh yeah,
So what's your favorite elevator?
Dovers.
This is 6.
Oh, there's 6. Garage.
I've never met anybody that films elevators. It's an interesting hobby.
I know. Stop at 5. Is it gonna do every floor?
I hope not.
Guess I took the other one. Real wood. Come on. Hopefully don't do this.
This should be good till now.
Yep, we are.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, lobby level.
Yeah.
There you go.
Have a good day.
You too. It's going down.
Okay.
Here at the garage. Go 7. Again. Oh, luggage cart. Has an F-sharp pitched motor. GL. Yep, F-sharp. Now we're going up. Going up? Which floor?
2.
Oh,
Jump in.
what floor?
3, please. I always bring my own pillows.
Oh, excuse me. Very busy.
The tricky part is sometimes I left my pillow.
Here are 2.
2? That's not good. Well.
8-story hydraulic. There you go. Just going up.
You're going up? Oh, good.
One more.
Go to 7.
Are you going up to 7?
Yeah, I'm just taking a ride.
Cool.
This is originally a Dover mod by Kencor elevator. 2,000 pound capacity. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This going up.
Oh, going down, that's right.
Wow, this thing's busy. Listen to that F-sharp motor. 0 to 7. Whoa. Back on to 6. Works like a Otis. There's a hallway look. Let's get our cat view. Sorry if this seems a long video. It's busy. Nice wood caps. Hi. GAL. Hand-free ADA code compliant phone. Kencor. See myself in the mirror. There goes, and that's it.